I'm aware some of you are probably thinking, oh, I bet he's going to like chuck in loads of bits for making a lens and kind of hide them in the box. Well, I'm not. I wouldn't do that. I am an upstanding, honest, reliable, trustworthy citizen. I wouldn't do that, and also there'd be no point in doing that. I want to do this properly. I am using junk. This is junk. I mean, look, there's even half a trumpet in it. Okay, this is genuine junk that I have in my shed. If you're wondering why I have junk in my shed, ask anyone who has seen my desk at school. They can probably understand or at least explain my ability to collect junk. Right, so obviously we're making a camera lens. So just to clarify, the conditions for this to work are that I make a lens that can attach to a Canon camera body or Olympus micro 4/3 camera. Okay, so either one of those, either this camera or one of the Canon, and I need to be able to take a photo using the camera and then view it so that I can then share it with you. If I can't do that, I have failed my job in making a junk lens. The other thing I need to be able to bear in mind is the lens does need to be able to focus. So either I need to be able to twist the element or piece of glass or plastic like this, or another method would be a push and slide like that. Okay, so I did find the tube, so maybe I'll be able to find something that kind of slides up and down that, or I might be able to find something that kind of screws and twists. I really don't know. Okay. Oh, and this is my pile of stuff I'm keeping. The pile of things I don't want, like that, is over here, out the way. So cool, off we go. What we're going to do, I'm going to pack this up and I will meet you over there. So, not too brilliant. This is a piece of rubber that I am using to cushion the lens against the camera body. Once I've decided on the lens design that I like, I will replace this with something a little bit more permanent so that I don't have to hold the lens against the camera. And for these experiments for now, I'm using one of my own cameras just because obviously I don't want to damage anything. Because it's my own camera, I can therefore kind of judge and take that risk myself. So I'm going to remove that. I use some tape just to kind of block the light. The last thing I want is for light to be getting in around the lens. I want the lens to focus the light coming in through here, not start letting bits of light all around her. I did find something very useful. Okay, I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before at school. Little torch. But inside here is an amazing lens. So, what I now need is something to secure that lens that can move up and down. Hello, this is just to say that I have successfully made my lens out of junk. This is the camera I've tried it on. I use this adapter just to protect the sensor inside. And here is the lens. Now as you can see, it's a little bit wobbly, okay, but I can hold that over the top and I can take some photos with it. But we can do better than that. So what I'm going to do next is secure this maybe on a nice piece of wood, get that fixed, okay, and as promised, make it so that you can focus it. So thank you very much for voting. Can we make a lens out of junk? Yes, we can. Can we make one with a glass element? Well, yes we can, it's in there. And the focusing element at the moment is just a simple push in and out. But hopefully next time I'll be able to improve that with the twist motion as promised. So yes, we can most certainly make a lens out of junk. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.